Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press and hold down on the side button of the watch until Huawei is displayed on the screen. Your watch will now turn on. It will take a moment. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.